Yep.
First fish on all day. Been marking them. Ooh, there she goes. Feels like a char to me, but you never know. Still 70 feet down. Ooh, there we go. That's, well, there we go. Take a line. A long ways to go. Still 60 down. Ooh. I think it feels like a char. I'd say probably, I don't know, 28 to 30 inch probably. Whoa, never know though. My lazy ass. Got some big buns coming. $135 feet of water. $20 down. That's what I keep seeing. I don't see. Oop, 10 down. Here we come. This is how it's done here at Harding Lake. Holy shit. I think we got a good one here. You want it back there? Oh, shut up.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
What do you think, guys? First one of the year, Harding Lake. I'd say probably 28, 29 inch. Probably, I don't know, 7, 8 pounds, 7 pounds. Beautiful fish. We need to get her unhooked and back down the hole. Pick this fish up on a tube jig. Ah, come on, good girl. Nice. Right in the lip. Just get her turned. There we go. Now I get my finger out of her mouth. Good girl. All right. One more time. Harding Lake lake trout. First one of the year. Good luck for all of us. That's how it's done, guys.